In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Walmart stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously. And as a result, it allowed us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy positions before an upside rally get triggers. And my dear friends, this stock was trading almost near to an important resistance level, and if that level break along with multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, then we could see a massive upside rally from the current price. Dear friends, this stock was under correction since from December 2024, and stock has spent almost near to a 2 month under corrections, and finally the stock has broken out from the correction pattern and it's ready for an upside move. If you'll make a closer look over here, this was a top where downside correction started in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back to back lower lows. If you see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the last lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper end, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. Here we got a two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and the second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever we find that lower lows are getting shifted into higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction unless and until it won't give closing below the previous lower lows. As long as the previous lower lows is safe, and as long as the previous lower lows is safe on closing basis, then the stock upside move is totally intact. And my dear friends, we will also check the RSI. If you place an RSI indicator, you will be able to witness a positive hidden diversion over here. If you'll see here, you will find that price actions from this low, it's moving on the upper end, but the same thing in the RSI, it's moving on the downside, and here we are getting a breakout that would give the stock upside move. And finally we will discuss the chart patterns. My dear friends, if you'll see over here, the stock has given the triangular chart pattern breakouts from here, and this is a symmetric triangular pattern. It's already got broken out. The first target stands at $96. This is a short-term target. The second target will be 98, and the last target will be 100. So these are the three major levels where stock will going to get resistance, and that resistance we could use as an opportunity to book and profit. And my dear friends, for the stop loss there are multiple options available. You can use ATR, you can use with the help of ATR you can place the stop loss, but make sure your risk to reward ratio at least 1:2, yeah, minimum 1:1.5. And my friends, we will trade this as a neckline of this pattern, which we will make it into a white color, and this neckline area will be going to act as a strong support because multiple positive factors trigger over here. Here we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel broken out on the upper side, lower lows shifted to higher highs, positive diversion between the price action, positive hidden diversion between the price action and RSI indicators, and finally symmetrical triangular chart pattern breakout. So with all these positive breakouts, this area of neckline has now turned into an important support. This was earlier resistance which has now turned into an important support. So that's it, my dear friends, for today analysis. If you really like my analysis and you are making profit out of it, please give a like to my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.